These lights right here can change the whole look of your room. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I have these 3000K wall panel lights and you can use these for so many more things than just the wooden wall panels. Now, these have been blowing up and getting trendy all over the internet and I finally had to get my hands on them. I wanted to show you guys how easy this is to set up. So first off, you're gonna get a control panel and you're just gonna have all 6 of these plug into here and then the remote as well. All you have to do is just hit the button and then guess what? They shut off. This is what it looks like. You're gonna get a 16-inch, a 24-inch, and a 40-inch too. You're gonna get 2 of each of those. So it gives you a lot of selection to put these around in your house and make it kind of an artsy, nice look. Let's turn this back on. Just a click of a button that's gonna turn all the way on. This right here is gonna be a 3000K, so it's gonna be a soft, warm light, very nice accent background light, especially if you're a YouTuber or content creator and you need something for the backlit of your wall to make it look really, really nice. Now let me show you another feature that this has to offer. We also have a dimmer. All you have to do is hold this in and it's gonna dim down to 10% of the light. If you want it to go back, hold it in again and you're gonna go back to 100%. There's just a few cables. Power cable here is actually pretty long. I was actually thinking another cool idea for these would be to actually layer these on the back of a TV. If you have a super big TV like 100-inch or an 85, something around there, you could just line these around the sides and the back and then hit the button, it'll light up the back of the TV. But this is really cool for an accent wall panel. I haven't set anything up yet, but I'm absolutely loving it. Let me dim this down and we can take a look at the back. So that's dimmed down to 10% now. On the back of this, you're gonna have like a 3M tape and that's gonna be going all the way down. This is already taped on here before you get this, so you do not have to do that. It does come with a couple extra pieces in case you mess up. Very sticky and it's gonna hold no matter where you put it. Now you can see that this is about a 1/4 inch in width, so it's not going to stick out too far if you do have those wooden accent panels. You can also just put this on a regular wall as well. You don't have to have the wood panels. Now, overall, this is a super good option if you're looking for some nice accent lighting for your room, office, TV room, or whatever. I highly recommend this. I love the kit, very easy to use. The cables are very, very long on each one of these. I don't think you're going to have an issue whatsoever. I highly recommend this kit. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.